As a super admin, many of the updates you make in the admin console have a major impact on your organization, affecting everything from member access to security posture. That's why a testing environment can be so helpful. An Asana Sandbox environment is a separate, empty space to trial new functionalities, test integrations, and train users before implementing changes at scale. Every Asana Enterprise Plus organization can have one sandbox. To create yours, navigate to the admin console and click Sandboxes from the sidebar. From there, create a sandbox to set up your testing environment. Asana automatically copies your administrative settings to the sandbox, so you'll start with the same configuration as your production environment. Once enabled, super admins can access the sandbox by clicking their profile icon and selecting Sandbox. From the sandbox environment, you can invite other users to participate in testing. Manage sandbox members just like your production environment. Navigate to the Sandbox admin console. Go to the Members tab and click Invite Members. In Asana, you can also invite members directly to specific projects or tasks to start collaborating in the test environment. To test out new features, integrations, or permissions, it's important to have realistic data. Export a project from your production instance. Then import it into your sandbox using the CSV importer. Once data is imported into your sandbox, use it to explore new features like Asana AI, as well as test out integrations you're considering adopting in your production instance. As users test out the environment, set clear guidelines for sandbox usage to prevent them from accidentally starting real work in the test environment. Once you're done with your testing, you can delete the sandbox. Once deleted, all data, configurations, and users associated with the sandbox are permanently erased. This action is irreversible. This has no impact on your production instance. Sandboxes enable confident decision-making by letting you test changes thoroughly before implementing them in your live environment.